We have division of polynomials because we have positive powers, so we can do long division. We have to first get the problem set up. We need to have the terms written down with exponents in the decreasing order, and to make sure that we don't make any mistakes, we add in any missing terms with zero coefficient. So descending order, this is our dividend. So let me write, this is y cube minus, next is 8y. We don't have y squared. So I write that this is plus 0y squared. This is 0. I didn't change anything because this term gave me 0. And next will be minus 8y. And next we have negative 3. This we have to divide by, our divisor is y minus 3. We have to concentrate always on the first terms, y cube and y. And ask yourself, by what I have to multiply y to get y cube? Of course, by y squared. Because y squared times y give me y cube. And now I have to multiply every term in the parentheses on our divisor by y cube. So y cube times y is y. Y squared times y is y cube. Y squared times negative 3 is negative 3y squared. Now we have to do subtraction. Y cube minus y cube is 0, we don't have to write. And now we have 0y squared minus negative 3y squared. Negative and negative give me positive, so I have like 0 plus 3y squared is 3y squared. And we have to take down the rest. And again, we have to do division until the power of our remainder will be less than power of our divisor. So we have 3y squared. We concentrate always on the first term. And y? By what I have to multiply y to get 3y squared? By 3y, of course. 3y times 3y give me 3y squared. And now I have to multiply every term of our divisor by 3y. 3y times y is 3y squared. 3y times negative 3 is negative 9y. Now we have to do again subtraction. 3y squared minus 3y squared is 0. We don't have to write. And negative give me positive 9y. Negative 8y plus 9y give me 1y. So it's like y, I can write. And we have to drop down negative 3. So now y and y. So we have the same power of y, so we still can do division. By what I have to multiply y to get y? Of course by 1. Because 1 times y give me y. And now I have to multiply every term of our divisor by negative. Of course I have to put positive y because 1 times y give me y. When I put negative 1, so it will be negative 1 times y will be negative y. But here I have positive y. So here must be positive 1. 1 times y give me y. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Now we have to do subtraction. Y minus y is 0. Negative 3, and we have negative and negative, so will be positive. Negative 3 plus 3 give me 0. So our remainder is 0. So now we can rewrite our problem that y cube minus 8y minus 3 divided by y minus 3 is equal, whatever we have on the top, y cube plus 3y plus 1. Remainder is 0, so we don't have to add anything. This is my solution.